Hello and welcome in another video. Today we have this orange Lamborghini Urus, and what we're going to do is the OEM reversing camera. So let me show you first the car from the back and obviously the grip, but that's where it's going to go. This is the grip for the boot, the tailgate. It doesn't have the camera at the moment. This is probably a better angle to show you. So the camera is going to go here. And let me show you as well inside. Right, so I'm in the car. And if I select the reverse gear, which is a quite funny way of doing it, it's got a funky gear knob. You can see only the sensors which have been factory installed come up. There's no camera, so we're going to add that and get it all integrated, so it'll be exactly as from factory. As you know, this Lamborghini Urus shares platform with Audi, so we have access to all the technology, so we can do this to the factory specification. So let's get to it, and we'll show you when it's all completed. The job is completed, so let's have a look at this camera now. So let's start with the grip. So the new grip is installed here, as you can see, and it's got the lens, and I can probably open it as well so you can see it better. And there you go. So we've got that in, and looking from here, you can barely see it. Very discreet, but so functional. So let's have a look how it performs. Right, so if I select the reverse gear now, the camera pops out. Before we still had the car menu, but here we've got the camera coming up straight away. So the original front and rear factory installed parking sensors are remaining on the left side here, and the newly installed camera screen comes up here. We've got the rear bumper, and obviously the guidelines, they move with the steering wheels. As you can see, I'm moving, they direct us into position. So that's all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next one. Bye bye.